Okay, as you can tell from the video, I did a few things and it was still chirping. So obviously I was barking up the wrong tree, and it looks like, I don't know if you'll be able to see it on camera, I think it was dropped, and I think one of these are bent. It almost looks to me like this one. Yeah, look there, you can see it curves back a little bit. I don't know what these things are, if they're a hard steel or what. I couldn't hardly bend them. What I ended up doing was, inside here there's like a lip, and I just took, it was rubbing in this little area here, probably I'd say from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock it was hitting, and I took this whole cover off and just took a brass hammer and just rolled that lip just a little bit. I got about an 1/8 inch of clearance in there now, and boy, she's quiet as a mouse now. Just look at that. There we go. Got her fixed. Cross that one off the list.